Hi, my name is Nurura Vishabinti Baris. Together with me, Navinish, Nurim Patricia, Nur Nabila, and Mama Adi Farhan will present about deforestation.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Adi Farhan Al Faisal, and I'll be discussing about significant terms that causes this deforestation. The first term is agriculture. It is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool, and other products. The second term is new constructions. It refers to site preparation for and construction of entirely new structures and significant extensions to existing structures, whether or not the site was previously occupied. And last but not least is urbanization. It can be defined as the process through which cities grow and higher percentages of the population comes to live in the city. My group member will discuss further about the causes of this term in details. That is all for me. Thank you.
My name is Navinish. Now, I will be sharing on the interesting facts on forest and deforestation. At first, we can see that forest makes up of a third of land on Earth. This is also equivalent to 4 billion rugby fields. I'm sure everyone knows how big a rugby field is. Imagine laying 4 billion of them. That's the size of forests in the Earth. The next fact is from the year 1990 to 2015, we have lost forests measuring an area larger than South Africa. To put this into perspective, South Africa is the 9th largest country in the world. The next fact is half of the rainforests have gone up in the smoke when compared to 70 years ago. In the year 1950, 15% of the lands on Earth were covered with rainforests, whereas now more than half of it have been gone. A century ago, half of India and a third of Ethiopia were fully forest, whereas now only 14% remains in India and 2/3 in Ethiopia are gone. The next fact is, for every second, forests equivalent to a size of football fields are being lost. Yes, while I was presenting and you were listening, we have lost about 20 football fields of forest. The final fact is 3/4 of Earth's fresh water comes from forested watershed. From all these facts that we can see, we can conclude that forest plays a vital role in the ecosystem for all the living things, and it should be preserved for the future generations too. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nurin and I will be talking about the first cause of deforestation, which is agriculture. According to the National Geographic, agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. It includes the preparation of plant and animal products for people to use and the distribution to markets. As a matter of fact, agriculture provides most of the world's food and fabrics such as cotton, wool, and leather. However, in order for agriculture to operate, forests are cut down to clear land. According to FAO, the Food and Agriculture Organization, agriculture causes around 80% of deforestation. From the same article, commercial or industrial agriculture was found to cause around 40% of forest loss in order to search for space to grow food, fibers, or biofuel. Nevertheless, animal agriculture is more destructive than agriculture producing plant-based food directly for humans. This is because animals need more calories than the calories they produce for humans to eat, where animals require space and nourishment that cause millions of acres of uncultivated land are cleared every year to make room for feed crops and grazing pastures.
My name is Nabila, and now let's move on to the second cause of deforestation, which is the new constructions. The development of human infrastructure also contributed to deforestation. More specifically, new infrastructures that serve the current human lifestyle in ways such as transportation, transformation, and energy generation account for 10% of deforestation. As the tide of human population growth washes over the Earth's surface, forests get cleared to make way for the expansion of cities and settlements. And with these settlements comes even more infrastructures such as roads, bridges, dams, water and sewer systems, railways and subways, and even airports and harbors. And while some goods were and are collected manually, others such as coal, oil, natural gas, biomass, they require construction of large extraction. transportation, as well as transformation infrastructures. This expansion rapidly degrades ecosystems, displacing endemic plants such as the Rafflesia and wildlife species like tapir, reducing biodiversity and more.
Hi, I'm Davisha. So now let's move on to the next point, which is urbanization. So urbanization is the process by which large number of people become permanently concentrated in relatively small areas, forming cities. So when we talk about the cause of deforestation due to urbanization, it can be explained in two ways, which is populational shift and urban growth. First, populational shift from urban area to rural area leads to more pressure being put onto forests to produce more animal and processed food products. Therefore, it leads to more clearing of forests to provide land. Next, the urban growth is leading to exponential growth of housing and consumption sites. Hence, the area covered by urban zones is projected to expand as forests are being cleared to make way for commercial land used to build infrastructure to cater the growing population. That's all from me. Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.